Hey guys!
So today we are gonna make you some Buddha bowl meal preps.
That's right.
They are gonna be full of veggies. Sophie is ready to go over here. She's got garlic in her hand.
Girl.
A little Italian baby. She's got the raw garlic ready to go. Oh, you're gonna eat that? Expecto Patronum! No? So, let's get started!
Yay! You gonna play with your toys and we go cook, okay?
So we have limited time because we don't know how long she's gonna last. So we're gonna do this fast. So the first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna make some asparagus in the oven. So you're gonna put on your oven to 350 degrees.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. 400, bro. Crank it up.
Okay, 400 degrees. While we wait for that, we're gonna start our quinoa. Sophie's gonna be cranky this whole video, I can tell. So we're gonna make 2 cups of quinoa, which is 4 cups of water. Put the lid on and bring to a boil.
Sophie, what's the problem? Box.
So Sophie's clearly not happy today. She just wants to be held.
Ranky pants.
So I'm gonna hand this over to Adam. So we're gonna roast up the asparagus and you're gonna cut those in half and put them on the tray. Ready, set, go!
Whole bunch of asparagus. You just make it even. Technically you can flick it up and do the thing with it. The thing, you know what I'm talking about? The thing?
No.
The thing, you know? Like,
No.
like that. Or you can just cut them all. There we go. Perfect. Onto our tray. Boom. And then we olive oil. How much? That much. And then salt, pepper. Oh, and lemon. Can't forget the lemon. Oh, wow, that's nice. And I'm gonna give it a toss with the olive oil and the lemon and the salt, pepper. Look at that, beautiful. There, guys, beautiful. There we go, into the oven, boom.
Next, we're gonna cut up the mushrooms and saute those.
How are these cut, my dear?
Slices.
Slices.
No, wait, no. Should we do slices or quarters?
They're gonna telepathically tell us by commenting and
I was kind of talking out loud to you.
quarters.
Quarters. Yeah.
Yeah, you want quarters? Pan on, high, olive oil. That much. Shrooms in. Whoa.
Do you know how to make full sentences?
No, see, we short and sharp to the point. Why need a full sentence? Just give them the dot points.
Shrooms done.
Shrooms done.
Heat,
In.
pan.
Heat on. There's no need for elaborate steps. Just dot points. That's how we function here. That's on. That's gonna cook itself out. Now we've got tomatoes, or as Steph would call them,
Tomatoes.
tomatoes. We're gonna cut them in half. Or Steph would say cut them in half.
Half.
Half. Half.
Cut them in half.
Cut them in half. In half, bro.
Who is that? Is that Sophie? Is that Sophie? Say thank you everybody for all my love on Instagram.
Yeah!
If you don't follow our Instagram, you should.
Here we go, got our shrooms. You have your options with the shrooms. You can leave them as they are with olive oil, maybe add some Italian herbs in there like parsley or basil, something on there, oregano. Or you could add coconut aminos or balsamic vinegar. So we're going to toss in a bit of balsamic vinegar today, give it a little bit of glaze, a bit of flavor in there. But up to you what you want to do with your mushrooms. Balsamic vinegar in there. So the quinoa is done. It's about to come to a boil. We're going to turn it down to low.
Sophie.
And pop on a lid. Boom. Quinoa will be ready in about 10 minutes.
When all the water is absorbed. So the mushrooms are done, the quinoa is almost done, the asparagus is cooking, the tomatoes are cut, and now you just gotta make the homemade hummus.
Hummus.
You wanna do it or do you want me to do it?
Whatever you want, honey. You got it. It's yours. You do it.
Okay, so homemade hummus is super easy to make. I just have 2 cans of chickpeas here that I already rinsed and drained.
Oh, Sophie, that's the camera copy.
Sophie!
Sophie, come back. Whoop.
2 cloves of garlic. Chuck them in there. 1/2 of a lemon. This is a giant lemon, so I like lemony. Some salt and pepper. Gonna add some cumin. Homemade hummus, easiest
You want
thing.
cumin?
You don't like the cumin in there? Oh, you're blowing raspberries at me. And then if you don't have tahini on hand, which we never do, so we just use sesame seeds.
Lemon?
And this is stuck. Okay. Woo.
Don't eat
Like
it.
teaspoon of sesame seeds or tahini if you have it. Splash of olive oil. Woo. Maybe a tablespoon. And then blend away.
Ooh, look. Wow.
And And then you're just gonna add a little bit of water at a time to get it to the right consistency. Boom, and that's it. We're done with the hummus. The asparagus is done, so I'm gonna take them out. Quinoa, let's check it out. Looks like it's done. And that's it. We're just gonna add some frozen peas and everything is done. Now we're just gonna plate it up. That took what? Like less than 20 minutes. Okay, so for each Buddha bowl, we're just gonna layer the bottom with some quinoa. Whew. A little bit more than half a cup in each. These are just frozen peas that are just thawed out a little bit. They don't have to be cooked. So we're just going to layer all this stuff up and we're gonna start with the peas. Yeah? And then what happened? Yeah? No way! Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Adam.
Oh. Yes, Baba, yes.
Next, we're gonna do the shrooms. So good, Sophie. Then we're gonna add some tomatoes.
Sophie, say asparagus. Look at the camera. There's a camera right there. Look at it.
I'm gonna do the asparagus first. So I just cut up a lemon. I'm gonna put a lemon in each and the hummus, and that's it. So there's actually a little bit of hummus left over. So you can have that obviously whenever you want during the week. I'm just gonna add in the lemon wedges and that's it. How amazing does this look? Obviously you can eat this totally cold. This is not something that you would heat up, so it's great to take to work with you if you don't have anything to heat up at work. And you can also mix it around with the hummus and mix it all together. It'd be super yummy. Is there anything that you would like to add, Adam and Sophie?
Yeah,
That's
Baba.
what Sophie wanted to add.
Yes, Baba.
Yeah?
Yes.
So guys, go over and make sure that you're following us on Instagram, Steph and Adam Official. Make sure that when you make this, you send us a picture and we'll repost it on our Instagram. And that's it, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Namaste. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Oh, she did a wave. She's waving. Bye, guys. Bye,
Yeah.
guys.